Assalamu alaikum. Let's talk about beets today. Okay, let me adjust the camera. All right. So we all love beets, and they are very healthy, right? But those beets, the red ones, when you cut them or peel them, they bleed, and you can see right away. They make a mess on the hands. So I love the red beets, but the golden beets are my favorite because they don't bleed like your regular beets, and they are beautiful, and they are on the sweeter side. So when you peel it, you see it's golden. It's not red, and it's not bleeding all over my hands. Maybe just a little bit yellowish, like when you touch turmeric and it looks yellow. So we will be making some beets. I'm not baking them. Usually they are baked, but it takes too long. 2.5 hours is a little too much for my patience. So I'm going to cook them in the cast iron with a little bit salt and garlic and few herbs. Let me peel them. So the beets are peeled, and they are easy to cut, unlike the other one. A little less effort. I can cut them in the longer way, or I can just cut them like we cut the turnips or potatoes sometimes. My mother loves beets, and she used, when in my childhood, I remember she used to cook them like madly or bhujia, and so that's what I'm going to do today. All right, let me cut all of them, then I'll get back. See how beautiful they are. Same earthy smell, same, but they're on the sweeter side. They are sweeter than the red turnip. And see, my hands are not full of bleeding. My hands are not red. So that's another good thing that I love about the golden beets. You can see the beautiful pattern they have. I'm eating few pieces because I love to munch on the beets. They are not only they are healthy, I love the earthy taste. Almost done. This size would be good. This size is perfect. I think the least it will take is like half an hour versus 2.5 hours of roasting them in the oven. So I rather cook them in my cast iron. 3 or 4 cloves of garlic will be perfect. Wow, where are you going? Okay, that's good. 4 is enough. You don't want to make it over garlicky, but garlic will taste really good with them. Let's cut up some garlic this way, because I just want to toast the garlic and see, nice and pretty. So I will just toast this garlic in olive oil and add the beets to it. Let me put the pan up. Half a tomato, diced. That's it. Not too much, just roughly cut. Alright, that will do for now. So even if you roast them, you will still need a tablespoon or so, tablespoon or 2 of olive oil, and then you will put them in the oven. So why not use that tablespoon of olive oil and cook them in the cast iron and save some time. Going to toast some cumin right alongside garlic, half a teaspoon, half a tomato just to make the base, This is going to be a very, very simple dish. No hard spices. Add the beautiful beets. Half a teaspoon of salt. Let the peppers in. Mix it good and cover it. And we will let them get soft. It's like probably 15 to 20 minutes. We will check back on them. If you like, you can add some mustard seeds on it because they will look real pretty and they will give it a nice taste. Just like potato medley, I use them. And also, if you want, you can add some crushed coriander. Always good for a kick. And again, if you like a little bit of heat, because those peppers I put in there have no heat. So what you can do is to crack some freshly ground black pepper on them. Not too much. That's it. Mix it and cover it. Okay. Give it 20 minutes. And yes, no water added. I'm not going to add any water to make them softer. I just covered the cast iron and it will happen by itself. It's always good to cook the food in the steams. They are cooking on medium to low heat. And they smell amazing. I love that smell. So if you put it on high, they will burn. I just want them a little bit brown from the bottom, but I don't want them charred. Bismillah. Our beets are ready to eat. This is my take on the beets. Just like you can expect them coming out of the oven, almost the same. I don't like them too soft, so they are nice. They still have a little bit of bite to it, not mushy soft. And if you like what I just made, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more ideas. Thank you. Bye bye.